Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Homespot channel, where creativity meets sustainability. Today, we're diving into the world of vertical gardening with our video, Vertical Garden Hacks, Repurpose Everyday Objects into Urban Greenery. Get ready to discover 19 innovative ideas that will inspire you to transform everyday items into beautiful green spaces. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious garden, these hacks will help you maximize your space and bring nature into your life. So stick around until the end for some amazing tips and tricks. Transforming wooden pallets into vertical gardens is a creative way to utilize space. Fill the slats with soil and plant vibrant herbs or flowers, creating a rustic and functional display that enhances any wall or fence. To continue this journey of repurposing everyday objects, let's explore another innovative idea. A hanging shoe organizer can serve as an excellent herb garden. By filling each pocket with soil and planting herbs, you can create a vertical garden that's both space efficient and easy to maintain, perfect for small urban spaces. As we move forward, consider how common items can be transformed into delightful planters. Old tin cans can be given a new life as charming herb pots. Simply drill drainage holes, paint them for a personal touch, and arrange them vertically to create an eye-catching display that adds character to your garden. Transitioning from cans, let's look at another unique way to showcase your plants. Wine corks can be creatively hollowed out to serve as tiny planters for succulents or air plants. Hanging them from a hook with yarn creates a whimsical and eco-friendly decoration that brings a touch of nature indoors. Next, let's consider how items with a bit more structure can support our green endeavors. An old ladder can be repurposed into a stylish trellis for climbing plants. By positioning it against a wall and allowing plants like cucumbers or peas to grow upwards, you create a functional garden that also serves as a decorative piece. From ladder, we can now shift our focus to natural materials that enhance our gardens. Bamboo can be fashioned into a rustic trellis, ideal for supporting climbing vines. Its sturdy yet lightweight structure makes it perfect for plants like morning glories, adding a natural aesthetic to your vertical garden setup. As we delve deeper, let's explore how to bring greenery indoors. Creating an indoor herb wall garden using wall-mounted planters allows for fresh herbs at your fingertips. This space-saving solution not only beautifies your kitchen, but also encourages cooking with fresh ingredients right at home. Let's consider how everyday footwear can add a unique flair to our gardens. Old rain boots can be transformed into whimsical planters for small succulents or herbs. Their playful appearance adds character to your garden while providing a functional space for your plants to thrive, showcasing creativity and repurposing. As we explore more innovative ideas, let's shift focus to another versatile material. Wooden crates, painted in vibrant colors, can be attached to a fence to create a lively vertical garden. This arrangement provides ample space for various plants while offering a visually appealing and organized structure that enhances any garden space. Next, let's consider a classic decorative piece that can enhance our gardening efforts. A wagon wheel can be repurposed into a trellis for climbing plants like roses. This charming addition brings a vintage feel to your garden while providing support for plants, creating a beautiful focal point in your outdoor space. As we continue our exploration, let's think about elegant hanging solutions. A brass ring can be used to create a delicate hanging planter for small succulents or air plants. This elegant design adds a touch of sophistication to your vertical garden, showcasing your plants in a stylish, modern way. Transitioning from elegance, let's explore practical solutions for wall-mounted gardening. Recycled pocket planters with metal grommets can be easily hung on walls, offering a practical solution for vertical gardening. These pockets provide ample space for herbs or small flowers, making it easy to create a lush, green wall. Next, let's delve into tiered gardening solutions that maximize space. A tiered strawberry planter allows you to grow strawberries vertically, optimizing space while producing delicious fruit. This creative setup not only looks appealing, but also makes harvesting easier, encouraging more home gardening adventures. Continuing with our vertical gardening theme, let's look at a unique material choice. Felt pocket planters mounted with screws create an easy to care for vertical garden. Their lightweight design and breathable material allow for excellent drainage, making them perfect for herbs or small flowering plants that thrive in vertical arrangements. As we explore further, let's consider a creative way to display succulents. A picture frame can be filled with succulents to create a unique vertical succulent garden. This artistic approach not only showcases your plants, but also serves as a stunning piece of wall art, blending nature with creativity. Rectangular baskets hung with rope create a stunning vertical garden effect. This design not only maximizes space, but also allows for a variety of plants to flourish, adding a beautiful layer of greenery to patios or balconies. As we continue to explore vertical gardening, let's consider how to arrange pots creatively. Arranging terracotta pots at various angles creates a visually interesting flower garden. This unique setup not only showcases your favorite blooms, but also adds dimension to your space, making it more dynamic and inviting. Next, let's explore how to creatively use everyday clothing items. Old jeans can be transformed into pocket planters, providing a unique and eco-friendly way to grow small plants. By adding a liner to keep soil intact, these whimsical planters bring a touch of fun to your vertical gardening efforts. Continuing with our theme of creativity, let's look at another rustic solution. Attaching wooden pallets to a wall creates a space-saving herb garden that's both functional and visually appealing. This rustic design allows for easy access to fresh herbs while adding charm to any outdoor or indoor space. Thank you for joining us on this green journey. We've explored 19 creative ways to repurpose everyday objects into stunning vertical gardens, from using old pallets to transforming rain boots. Remember, gardening can be both fun and sustainable. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite vertical gardening hack. We can't wait to hear from you. Happy gardening!